following program is intended for mature audiences.
Oh, come on.
What are you doing?
It's a bird. Where else would you put him?
Pick him up. Take him out of there, please.
Why didn't we think of the zoo before, walking around for 3 hours?
I'm sorry, it was my fault, but I hated the river.
Forget it.
I just hated it. I hated the river. It'd be just like throwing Albert in the garbage.
Laughing at birds.
Here, let's get it over. But I don't think it's going to matter now. He's as serene as he's going to get. I don't know. Well, I do. Oh, I see a great spot. Here, you take Albert. I'll go get this.
I told you, don't fuck with me!
Hey, knock it off. Knock it off.
Dan?
Oh, shit, this bitch got a thing.
Please. Look, I don't make the laws, I just enforce them. You can't do no digging in the park.
I feel like Gloria Swanson.
You look like a mother.
I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille.
Oh, the clothes. I have them on so much I forget I'm wearing them.
Not surprised you'd want to.
I do my duty.
What is your duty?
I'm looking for sex maniacs. This is supposed to fool me.
Fool us? I had no idea you're a constable.
I'm the only one left. The only reason I'm here is because my sergeant hates me.
Waka.
But I get to deduct all addresses off my income tax. How come you're digging in the park?
I want to bury something.
What?
Albert.
Who's Albert? Where is he?
It's in here.
All of him?
He's a parrot.
Was? Oh, your pet, huh? Gee, that's a shame. Little guy. Wish I could help you, but you can't bury him in the park.
Oh, come on, give us a break, will you? We've been searching for 3 hours. It's the only soft spot in all of New York.
You should take him to a pet cemetery.
Take him to a what?
A pet cemetery.
Oh, come on. Will you?
It's the nicest thing, and if you really love your pet...
Great idea.
I think it's the stupidest thing I ever heard of.
I don't think it's stupid.
I don't think it's stupid, but I'll bet it's expensive.
You're gonna argue with the officer, or you're gonna ask directions to the mortuary?
I wonder if I can get Donald Duck to do the eulogy.
Oh, no.
Welcome.